So here's the another way, that is passing parameters to our function. We can also provide some more features to our function, like what if I don't want to pass any value, I just want to call the function. Yes, or else I have forgot to pass one for the value of b and specifying a default value here 10. So here you can see we have declared the variable and I am also initializing the initial value here. But here if I am passing 35, okay, so we have provided a default value 10 and also I am providing the value 35 at the time of calling. So what will happen? So now let us try to run and see. 15 plus 35 is 50. So you got the output printed to be 50 here. So you may have a question, we have provided the value of b to be 10 here, so why the value is now 50? Because you have provided the value of 35 at the time of function calling, so it will consider the value and it will override the initial value which you have provided here. So here we are providing a default argument here. What is the use of providing a 10 here is, if you have skipped providing the value of b here, so it will not ask you for the value of b here, it will consider the default value which you have provided at the time of this initialization here. And if you run the code now, 15 plus 10 here, you will get 25 as output here. So this is a way of declaring the function here using a default arguments. If you are a beginner, you can also follow our Kotlin series. I am providing the link in the description section below, and also if you have faced any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.